Hello everybody, I am Krishna Rao Patro. Today we will see one small program using Java to check given strings are valid anagram or not. So now we'll see how we can implement this anagram related programs. An anagram is a word or a phrase formed rearranging the letters of different words or phrase, typically using all original letters exactly once. So when I say anagram, it is a small word or a phrase formed rearranging the letters of different words. So that means I will take one word and I will rearrange to another word. If I give these two words, whether it is a rearrangement of other word or not, if both are having same set of letters, then you will say it is a anagram. So that means arrangement is different, but though composition is same, only the position of letter is different. So you have to give how many strings? You have to give two strings, S and T. It will return true if the anagram of T is anagram of S. So that means whatever the letters are there in the T, same thing should be there in S. If it is there, then it is written true. Otherwise, it will return false. For example, S is anagram. A-N-A-G-R-A-M. This is first word. And another word, this is S. Another word is T. T is N-A-G-A-R-A-M. Now see, S and T having same set of characters. Here A is there, of course. Here let me write, because if it is a case sensitive, I will make it lowercase. A is there, here also A is there. Next, here N is there, here also N is there. Here A is there, here also one A is there. Here G is there, here also G is there. Here V is there, anagram. R is there, here also R is there. Here A is there, here also A is there. Here M, here also M. That means in both the string, you will find same set of letters. Only the arrangement is different. So whenever these two types of strings are given, then I will say S and T are anagram. Anagram. Okay. If at all anything is not matching, that means if any of the character is missing, then we will say it is not anagram. So our program is what? You have to give two string. After giving two string, then you have to check whether both the string contain same set of letters or not. If letter count as well as same set of letters are there, then it is true. First you have to check the letter count. Here how many are there? 3 plus 4, 7. Here 7 are there, here also 7 are there. So letter count must be same, as well as here how many S are there? Here A, 3 S. Here should be also 3 S. A. So the number of frequency of each letter should be also matching. Then only it is returns true. Similarly, for example, second case. Here RAT red, here car. RAT CAR. Whether both are anagram or not, you check. Here R is there, here also R is there. Matching. Here A is there, here also A is there. But here T is there, here C is there. Letter counts are equal, but characters are not matching. So it is not a anagram. So that means it returns false. So now you have to write a program to check given two strings are anagram or not. And here I will assume that S and T both consist of lowercase letters. That means whatever the data you are giving, you first convert into lowercase, then check the given two strings are anagram or not. For that now I will write a small program using Java. What is my input? String 1 and string 2. I am passing two string. After getting two string, I will try to replace wherever the space is there. I want to remove it because I will check only alphabets. Here to replace space, there is a function called replace all. Replace all space with null. After replacing all space with null, then I will convert the data into lowercase. Why I am converting to lowercase? Because while giving some data, it may have some uppercase data. So that's why I am converting to lowercase first. Similarly, second letter also, second string also. Here also I will replace all space, multiple space with null string. Then I will convert the data into lowercase. After converting the data into lowercase, then what I will do? First I will check whether the lengths are equal or not. If the lengths are different, immediately I will say it is not anagram. So here I will check. There is a method called length method. Yeah, there is a method called length method. The length method, what it will do? It will check whether the count of both the strings equal or not. If both are not equal, immediately I will return false. That means not anagram. Not a anagram. So this is the first thing you have to check. Second, you have to convert this character, mean the string, into character array, because it is available in the string object. This string object I will convert into character array. So to convert into character array, in the string object there is a method called toChar array. So if you call toChar array, now for example I said LISTEN. Listen, this is a string. If I give this string to this toChar array method, then what it will do? It will convert into array LISTEN. Similarly, second string. Assume second string is silent. SILENT. Now, similarly, this also I will convert into character array. So that means SILENT. So here lengths are equal. Okay. Then I am converting the data into character array. After converting into character array, then what I will do? I will sort it. Because once you sort, it will come in order. So if I sort, what I will get? Because it has to come in alphabetic order. So here I will get E, then I, L, S, T, N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, M, N, N, sorry, here N should come, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So after sorting, I am getting E, I, L, N, S, T. Similarly, here also if I sort, here also I get E, I, L, N, S, T. Now both are having same set of letters. After sorting, I am getting same set of letters. So that means same array is rearranging. Now here I will check whether both arrays are equal or not. For that there is a method called equals method of the array class. Actually this array class is a built-in class available in a util package. So I will call arrays dot equals by passing two character array. If I pass this two character array, then if both are equal, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. If it returns true, it is anagram. If it returns false, it is not anagram. So this is the implementation style of anagram checking. Now we'll write a program for this. Okay. Let us have a small program. How will you read and how will you call? Now let me, here I am calling. First to, because it is a Java program, we will start with the class keyword, class valid anagram. I will write a name class valid anagram. So this is the name of the class. What is the name of the class? Valid anagram. Because this class is going to check given two strings are anagram or not. Now here what I will do? I will say check anagram. Check anagram is a method which takes string S1, comma string S2. Now after checking, it should return a boolean value. The boolean value is what? Either true or false. Now here what I will do? Once I read that string S1 and S2, first of all, if at all anything is there, S1 dot replace all. This method what it will do? Wherever space is there, the space I will nullify with the null string. So there may be multiple space. So this with nullify with null. Then I will replace that one. S1 equal to this. Similarly S2. S2 also I am nullify. S2 dot. After that what I will do? Why? Because there may be some multiple spaces. Space I want to remove it to overcome this counting problems. Now here I will check whether the lengths of both are same or different. If I tell S1 dot length, S1 dot length gives what? How many characters are there? If both are not equal, S2 dot length, then immediately what I will do? Return false. Because I am returning a boolean value. If total lengths are equal, then I will start checking whether characters are having, the strings are having same character or not. So for that purpose, I will convert the string into character array. So I will define char array, character array 1 equal to str. My name of the object is S1. S1 dot to char array. There is a method called to char array. If I write this method, it will convert the string into character array. Why I am converting character array? Because this character array I will pass as a parameter to sorting method. So for that purpose, I am converting the data into array so that it is easy to compare. Second, char array 2 equal to S2 dot array 2 is array. So here I am assigning, fine, 2 char array, fine. After that I will rearrange, that means I will sort it. There is a built-in class called arrays dot sort array 1. Now arrays 2 dot second array. I am sorting. After sorting, both are arranged in a order. Of course, here while giving the data, there may be some uppercase, lowercase. So I will convert into two lowercase, two lowercase, two lowercase. So I am converting into two lowercase first, so that the case sensitive problem will not be there. Then I will compare whether both are equal or not. Arrays dot, there is a method called equals. Equals what? I am comparing both array 1 with array 2. If both arrays are equal, returns true. If both arrays are having some different characters, then returns false. So return that value. Return that value. Now this method is ready. Now this method I will call directly. So if you want to call directly from the main method, because main is a static, so this method also I will make it static. Then I will write my main method, driver method. So public static main string argument array, fine. Now here I will define two string s1 comma s2. S1 s2 I will read it. So for that I will use the scanner class, scanner sc. I will initialize sc equal to new scanner within bracket system dot in. Here now I will ask the user system dot out dot println enter string 1. After entering string 1, then I will read string 2 also. S1 equal to sc dot next. So I am reading first string. Then I will read the second string also. Control C. So here I will ask enter the second string, because you are going to compare two strings. Both are anagram or not. So after reading S1 and S2, I will call that method. Which method? Check anagram. This check anagram, what it will do? It will take the two parameter S1 comma S2. Now this method returns what? True or false. So I will put a condition. If this method returns true, if true, then I will print anagram. System dot out dot println anagram. Now else Control C. S1 and S2 are anagram. S1 and S2 are anagram. Here S1 and S2 are not anagram. S1 and S2 are not anagram. Here I will put this. Okay. Now, what is the name of the class? The name of the class is valid anagram. Control C, Control S, Control V, valid Java. Now, after reading this value, of course, here there are some set of packages required. The scanner class and arrays class are available under util package. So, always import java dot util dot star. After importing this util package, then you will be getting the corresponding classes. Now let us check. Now let us go to the program. Open info. Clear the screen. Java C. Valid anagram dot Java. Now here you got a small error. S1 dot length, if equal to S1 dot length, unexpected type. Here you have to compare it. Comparison means you should write double equal to. Here single equal to is there. Single equal to cannot be used. So you have to use double equal to because you have to compare. Java. Yeah, now it is compiled successfully. Now Java valid anagram checker. Now assume I write SILENT silent. This is the first string. SILENT. Second string listen LISTEN. Now silent and listen having same set of characters and having same length. Yeah, S1 or not. So there are some mistakes. Wait. Here we are comparing two char array. It should return arrays dot sort character array, and both are not equal. Here you are passing S1 and S2. After sorting, arrays dot equals array 1 and array 2. Now if it returns true, it's anagram. AC dot next. Why? Let me print here before that what is printing. System dot out dot println. First one is array 1. Array 1. You will see array 2. This is array 1. Array 1. plus. So this is array 2. Now let us compile again. Clear the screen. Java C, valid anagram. Compile it. Java, valid anagram. Now here let us check words. S1 is SILE and silent. LIST listen. Here S1 S2 are, so that means it is check anagram. My check anagram takes 2 parameter. Okay, after sorting you do rearrange. Array 1 equal to this, it is not sorting, so you are not assigning. Array 2 equal to this, both are the array not required, but still S1 S2 you are comparing. So string 1 dot replace all backslash s, because if at all any space is there it will return. So before that let me print what is that S1. Here it's supposed to come, but what mistakes. So now before sorting, what is the value of S1 and S1? Fine. This is S2. This is S2. Check it. LIST listen. SILENT silent. S1 is listen, S2 is silent. So where the control is going, is it going here? If both are equal, sorry, you have made mistake here. If not equal, because if the length is not equal, then you have to return. So the program is correct. If both are not equal, then only you have to send. Okay. If it is equal, it has to come down. Yes. So this was the small mistake. Now compile it. LIST listen. SILENT silent. Yeah, both are anagram. So these are the program you have to do. I hope it is clear now. So our program is correct. So here lengths are not equal means immediately. For example, I may give some other thing. Compile it. Again, now assume here I will give A, B, C, D. Here I will give D, C, A. Now both are not matching because first length is 4, second length is 3. Immediately it will reject. No need to check the number of characters or the set of arrangements. Those things are not required. Here immediately you can reject because lengths are not equal. So this is the way you have to write this program. I hope it is clear. So if at all you want to write same program with calling with through object, if you do not want to write static, then there is another way. So in that case, you have to create object of valid anagram. Control C. Instead of calling directly, you can call one object. Assume create a valid anagram. Obj equal to new valid anagram. First constructor. Then object is ready. This obj I will use to call this method. Obj control V dot. Now this method return true or false. If it is true, anagram. Now see. Check. Yes, compile it. Now, assume I'll write test, TSC test. Then I'll write SETT, SETT. Yeah, both are anagram. If I write, assume TSC test and TXT text. Now both are not anagram. Having the number of characters are same, but letters are different. So it's not anagram. So this is the way you have to do. This is the simple program, and most of the time in exam they ask write a program to check given two strings are anagram or not. So this is the logic. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.